He was giving me my pocket money every week, 2,000. He wasn't stingy.
So he gives you money. Because Bema is stingy, somebody who cares about your personal issues.
Oh.
And
I says he called better the under the Bema, but the other man or the Nadia.
He has the pride. But every 2 weeks, no mommy 5,000. Every 2 weeks.
Catherine. I would every 2 weeks, me every week 2,000. And say, Papa, and say, oh, I'm a friend, Rush, so ABC every week 1,000, ABC every week 3,000, ABC every week 2,000. Will be a bonnet that says he cannot do
5,000, sometimes 8,000.
Aye, oh, and then put the wound here. Me first in the beginning, no, never naman no. Mama is kind of boom boom. Maybe or did shame bag and cry. Miss you, miss you only because me nyasika. No, the buofu. I didn't know. I didn't know. Mama is come engine and the buofu. No kasa. Sister, maybe a 50 one. I may say me.
Mr. Mankwa. Me office was saying this cabane de awie project no. Eso de bia me office ka ma ne wo problem.
Enemremu. Na monte tap sending kan.
No so ne de.
Tap send dey easy, fast and secured way. Ubetimi send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee bia.
Sir, I obey any say.
Chine say won ko App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download ya. Ebebu sanso promo code. Oma the pet TV shim. Obenya €5, £5, and answer $10 on his first transfer.
And you make kwa friend a catch them.
Tabi minyanwe. Esansa tap send at the good news aba. Tap send the giving the customers won't or the tap send wallet aba.
I know about any say.
So your customer who you cases here. Ubetimi ako tap send app no create wallet also. And it's a rate in the kosora now the sikako gu wallet no. And I say mpo betimi atu susun kakra. Enti abre sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no. No anse wa send sika na ba Ghana. And I say oba o my Ghana mu a watimi ya use sika e wo wallet no no. Tie.
And you said to say you use momo Ghana hey no.
Sa pepe. Se si tap send that trena shim. Kopiem wo United Arab Emirates, Netherlands and Austria. Tap sender now. Papa no.
And then my anointing moved from me to the man. She said that was why I was skeptical to go to the man. Just when we say that man, me say me kai Diana was from last year and son and make up papa no.
Hey, very sad.
So I just my prayer that he shouldn't come and talk about me evil. That's why I text him. I pretended text him that I have the wife and the mother's number. So I will let the world know what he has done and I'll tell the wife. He said, I promise not to talk about you, but you yourself, you will come out and confess. I'm begging because of my ministry. I'm not a social media dragging of people and the rest. I was already in my ministry. And I same way, my spiritual father told me, I'm with the sons of God. The way they would deal with me in that church, sister. I'm just afraid. I just don't want him to even know that. I've come to hear information from you. I'm just quiet. Like that. Apart from my mother and my sister in Accra, nobody even knows that this man has something to do with me. If my spiritual father hear this,
nobody knows. I sorry will be any to Kodan and Jaya will be home because now sorry for nibity. The gates and there are rooms there before his room. Into Kodawuna Wokas will be any, I sorry will be and I sorry for no more Gonzafo. Only Papa Kuma, dear, or catch will be and Tina no more shawsan. Into one I also will be any, I sorry for no money to argue. Or money.
No, that time the time I call program I chose. I think the last program I went there was in October.
No more Nipa Baku Crewua, Ubia Betty, in Tashauna, Okasa, my men of Papa, my men of sister, to I dream, I shall what you money. To I dream, why?
Into when you saw on Yena, BBC, no more support, no push online, the music.
Omo musika na wo feel say Leonu o man is kan ko be san kwase ade no ye. Wa mo musika girl ya obepo ya obetena ho ye o ka say unhwe nanim tantan na no nsuo bi ne do ensem o kaka kra ya besere na me maami ewu. Me maami oti ase maami ewu. Nti ne kra me we nipa bi say kra ho so ne so. Where these all these people you deal with them.
Information gets made me to understand that the man lies a lot. He lies a lot. I told my eyes have now been opened and I've seen.
Now I can't wait at that. Na no nya back until
your stories are inconsistent.
And then say and also maybe and say blackmail, say a carton, say just say what just on our complicated.
One thing I'll tell you is that one thing I'll tell you for the sake of your repetition, these the two options I wanted to tell you. You can go on video. Don't.
Nina rituals. Nina rituals. Inti wo de sikano or say ne na kunta ba beje no nno say me nton me car na me ka se me kwa me ton am say na me ton me car na me ton na me de tu kwan sisi me ton car na me de na o si o me ko obeja me kwan nti ma me nwore e na sisi anyi sen so abemu nti ono na obehwe me nti ahidi nwore na me si o mate na me so me jimi na me de car no ma na ton se na ono apo na wato car no
o sika
se no ono na wato car no wa fanyansa kwan so agye me car no efri mi sem. Inti something started say abuboba no na efide kodu baby na me say akwancho na nso amba so because nipa na oye no or minim so na hihye ye omkoye visa fraud na e ma me omkofo obi document na omdi midi nko share so as ya grant me visa say na e fraud enye no kranye genuine na me am kohwehwe mu na me hu ye na me che omo na me di see so na me say bra enti wuni nipa na ade amaye afide o de hye boy no show ka different na me see you ma sika no 2000 ewo boy no one ekwan ya be fa so beji madia mama ne je mama because waji me kai tiaka inti eno ho de mante ho asem biemu na me uncle be mu akasakasa ba ye ntem bebre na me uncle be mu na me se me ntena fie ho biemu because matena fie wo eko 4 months me pese metena fie ho biemu na because isi ano menya entu kwan ni biemu the
main that's not why he was afraid to show me your TikTok handle.
Yes, the main yo.
Unfollow TikTok handle the man so that I'll follow and see what is happening.
The main reason why inti amede kwatena afie won say me rent so ye. On betia rent no so no see me betu kwan nti ehu hia nti me betena ne fie won na we be ready na maka. No why na edi me tu kwan no na odi me tu kwan no o so onya sika o de bekwa akotua rent wa abra me tu kwan me ka cha ne se nko ma me sika na me rent na me kwa na maje balance no na nka me de na etwa ticket o se da bi o ni sika.
Have you observed that the man is a little bit stingy?
Me, he wasn't stingy per se about me. He was giving me my pocket money every week, 2,000. He wasn't stingy.
So he gives you money, because a man is stingy, as somebody who cares about your personal issues.
Oh. And Nadia, I says he called better than the other man, but the other man or the Nadia.
To show say he has the pride. But every 2 weeks, no 5,000. Every 2 weeks.
Catherine. What every 2 weeks, me every week 2,000. And say, Papa, and say, oh, my friend, Rush, so a say every week 1,000, a say every week 3,000, a say every week 2,000. Will be a bonnet that says he cannot do
5,000, sometimes 8,000.
Aye, oh, and then put the wound here. Me first na beginning no na me na no ma me sika no boom boom maybe o de hye me bag nkra na me suro me si onyi because me nya sika no ni buafu adenti no adenti na o ma me sika menje na ne buafu no kasa sister me be fifie ho na me se me current dan o se me kope dan na tuaka me kope dan no o se dan no boy de ho ntuaka na me se nanka wanye me no nka me nkwatena 1 bedroom me so me ndwe saa o me nkwatena 1 bedroom because enkwala no omo ye ntafo and I was having complications too every week bia na me was me call hospital na ade because I have health condition no ya we onim me this scan bibia kwa kire no e ma ne hweye Emma no crassy and there was semi mammy better than me chair no shemme. And I'm saying I need 2-bedroom. I feel the papa is on to me 2-bedroom, mammy. Then yes, I dear me.
He said the lady has fine, but she can never get pregnant. She's just lying.
She. Well, Bram, this kind in you now. If I brother no kind a yampa or babia will be, but when you ma bounce a grow or babia will be say when you ma now when you're lucky, I bounce a fetus in you grow no na dear should grow. Into 5 brother dear one ma a year no na hammy. Enti na half fetus no enti de bia na my say room enti de bia na me dia kona ba hospital enti me kona me twa scan na ma kire sa de ni affective fetus na ma kire e bia menye se mindi se ma mindi se enti e ma me change me dua ni nyina bisa na enti na mindi meat ni nyama bebre because of nyinsan no many ono na ewo fie ho me call hospital ba edro bi wo kwa ye trauma me yenye bi me na na coaching pharmacy to pharmacy na yakwa akoto with prescription nti so no twa ne ho beka kire wo se me mebuwa ene na nyankopon betua ne ka wasan ya jensesa no edro bi kwa wa ha ye trauma me prescriptions that time no wo London ye chie wo Ghana ha yenye bi me de send no so onto wa onpa bi ngwa abrochi o se abrochi su Ghana prescription into Montoma no aji aha sana omoye no sena mibisa no mse yampa aji aha prescription omode be mano
papa no di tro
and tro sa me si me na fa bibie nsie no me doctor na me kono hompo no na no si me suspect say na no nyeme me ka chan say o mayen ko me doctor no because ono na no so say o fibroid sena enyi sai na no onyem nefu Cassie and nufu nyina hyehyeye wakoyi
but you know that this December is like she was pregnant during Daddy's birthday it's like she was pregnant
and that's so she no ho me meti yese wakoyi meti yese gina no koshu ya kire ne godfather
him that me I can just leave him like that because lady an issue ni say me bisa now or no chat or say lady ni by Pastor Stephen I blocked him on WhatsApp block him everywhere he was begging me on chat he sent me message begging it's not true he swear and I'm unblocking him and he quickly went and blocked me on TikTok that if I'll be on TikTok seeing his things and I'll be angry he will block me I will not see you be chatting me on WhatsApp and I'm saying then go and unblock me there if now I'll block you here too and I'll come block him. Then we started being free again. And no, and me birthday one mama and look a birthday and come and go food and me say me grandpa be who send baby or him a dynamite I say me kokai who both food in this
on him manage I'm says I get on the other wire no.
Hey, I
wire no she. Now who's an sponsor girl no a issue okoye ni 5,000 10,000 okoye shopping. Na Nancy one friend video the better the bodyguard did na che bie gate man. Kodi page ko he ni video no se oto nyama cosmetics no o papa no o member
say no audio no me bono straight out into na my din no me bo audio ni na kosi inti muntie
o papa wo boyfriend no no bodyguard na ebie gate man
sir
na video so ye na wo zo ko e bi ofie ho isle go ofie ho no wasem no on him maya we asem na me ko bisa na papa we start so ne me ye ntokwasa time na menyim fresh
na me say oh him I said tank top in tradition short no dia ba ufie no be video no ye jani na ufie ni mo no ma ba
ne bedroom okosa ye wo ne bedroom o she ne morning coat no dey sana me ko kan wa asem papa yi ebe che mewe e twantro say sem so wo bua video enye old video and then they try so ya no ama we feel bad na wa pa na acho na me benyi me ye no na papa we start so chem the true colors on fa me nye hwe me wo fiempo or the ma ba beda gesu medium e so ready o koda
also wonyem bua na wonyem
intina
na so onko ware o
Obwa nan konfa sister nan konfa evidence about or ka story no can different tro bia we what the
doctors report bia say na and I won for pental font now dental
obwa Obua, me call hospital bar. Sister, me say Obua, me call hospital bar, me doctor's report, me scan, me BB, me de begune bed, so many baby, we should be, and any GG, said monument phone. First, and any GG.
Or later, Quran on Pisa and the fake report, the brain.
Or fake report. And I often by Obiafa. Sister, Jai Casa, Obiafa fake report, Biaman. Or no, or 2 way or 3 months, Obiaman fake report and confirm Cocotti. To our dream. Obwa.
Catherine, I changed it to Catherine. I disabled the account. Because when I changed
first now me who say one in shows no now we din bi na we use we say be change din ye
Catherine and they chosen.
They're chosen. Nti me who ye na me say me who say na wodi papa na chi na me say ya na ye me o. Say ya na ye me.
I was already using Papa's caption online, but because I wasn't serious, I didn't want people to even know I was on TikTok. So now we do fan thing because people know me. We start here Zoom programs, or target when I change the name to Papa's caption so that people can see me that I'm there.
I started with the fresh audios na kano my body na ko see it say no I'm repeating everything for the screen recorders for no. I'm repeating everything. Me bonus straight away. Inti muntie, I'm repeating it. Yes, and we started with your friend is saying audios na kan maboni na EDC and until main kasano. So say me boni na straight away so that you understand the conversation. You say yanko. Yanko.
So oko for man no abe you so sir.
Okache me say, and it's true, my people were paying for Zoom all the time because me, I have a lot of foreigners in my ministry. He has followed me on Facebook not today, since 2021. He used to watch my videos. Me, I have crowd and casa because I'm anointed. Me, yes, that type. So your friend is saying, Okache me say, because he got angry with me. If I will not fight for him, he has people that will fight for him. Or I want to come and join you and we'll fight him. Maybe I want to come and join you. That's why I'm around him and I'm acting and pretending. Somebody is disgracing him and me, I want him to stop. He will not stop today. That's what he was telling me. So, and then like when the lady was doing the videos to me too, I just came and joined the lady because I didn't want him to feel like I don't want to support him. He was just angry with me. They were frowning at him. No, yes, I'm wavy. I was like, what is this?
First, no, me who jai. Well, whom you cry na bibi and me feel life mono. Me want a life in me papa we date here. Me want a life. Me see papa we on him a dynamite in unina no fiomo. Destina munina one your munina sa destina girl no. Cry no due to me money warning. No, I send ya mammy. Minty only destina ni jaya by force.
If me cry me sa destina ni church no send if or send destina ni church mommy from
maybe won't on destina now only me for one warning or more sorry them more because of me. For papa now me say now just say what offer me to say offer me World Cup on for me to ho.
Na me cry me the sister my own was well so me see the check for your program for announcing the Europe me my daughter in Tamale or Zoom for my daughter in Tamale or anything my daughter in Tamale. Me see them if I'm in the church the way you would turn and look at me. Hey, my daughter has come and then from. So we ate and I went back to my sister's place in Tema. So I used to be in Tema and I should come to church. In Tina, we church program. No, in Tina started Zoom no started advances. No, he has admired me for so long. Blah blah blah. I am his crush. Maybe names are and so me Nangasa Manya broken heart. My boyfriend, I was just there when my boyfriend got married. One of my teacher daughter called me and said, my boyfriend will be a wedding next month. Obi a many na dating for 2 years. And then a man me sorry call no hono. So me call na after they only be free. We just started dating not long. But me ma me ni break it up here. Or him na sem na me titi na me bisa na on person be fi me. You know, as a Friday no me kan him na sem na ni mu sisan ye no. And then it piss me off. It pissed me off. And we imagine December was my birthday, wa mama she. My birthday, wa mama she, and so the birthday I spent over 7,000 on him.
Oh, sir.
And my birthday, he didn't give me one CD, he didn't even post it. So my mommy friend me say, me so for know what I'm and they were posting you. But I won't say me papa Ogyaba posting me because I say the videos the uncle be posting. So my mommy follow me pa. Me mommy can't because my mommy so when she says that time no. So I'm a birthday time December now me no cool because of that Lady Anne. We be saying about Lady Anne in Niama. I didn't think Lady Anne back program work. As I still in program, I want to take out more video. And I say, hey, Lady Annie and the ex, or catch them saying the ex. The lady just send me screenshots. Only lady in the chat screenshot, to show me. Say the lady just came to the program, crown or federation, crown or texting. Hey, into me, no comes out talking the man who he was angry with me. Okay, and I said, I'm sorry. You know how he is gentle when he's beginning with you. I said, I'm sorry. Okay, forgive me. So, okay. And to forgive me, no one come from 13th or was it 23rd or so, and you gave me Christmas gifts, grandpa. But my birthday was 31st. So I have mommy flower and put not to talk of a gift and the kind of things I did for this man on his birthday.
Just said the birthday, the only be ordinary Eddie.